Hello, and welcome to 80/20's Product Highlights series. Today, we're going to take a look at the inside corner connector. It's available fractional and metric. Now this connector comes in one piece, with 4 set screws already pre-assembled in the fastener. A great aspect about this connector is that no machining is required to your bars. Now when it comes to installing the connector, you're going to take one bar and slide your connector into the open T-slot. Take your other bar and slide it over the other half of the connector. We're going to find our location and tighten down the set screws. Now another great thing about this connector is its adjustability. You need a new location on the bar, simply loosen one side of the connector and slide it anywhere along the bar. Once you've found that location, go ahead and tighten down. And once secure, we have a clean hidden connection.